Well, everyone, you might be trying to figure out how you can fix Spotify when it's not playing any songs. So, this is a very common issue whenever you have any sort of Spotify account. Randomly, if you're playing a song and then the song is no longer working, or anything can happen basically, the songs can randomly not be like the songs can just randomly not function anymore for tons and tons of different reasons. The first thing being, make sure you have a proper Wi Fi connection or internet connection on your device. If you are essentially not having any Wi Fi connection or any data connection, even if it looks like you have Wi Fi, if you're like in the middle of nowhere and there's very little signal, that could be a reason why songs aren't playing. Especially if you have the free version of Spotify and you don't have any downloaded songs or anything like that, well, you're basically going to be kind of stooped in that you're basically going to be kind of like stumped in that option because you won't be able to play any songs because you'll always need an internet connection. So keep that in mind if you're on a flight or anything like that and you expected to be able to play Spotify songs but you didn't download them within Spotify and you don't have Spotify Premium, it's not really going to work out for you. So that's kind of a problem. But if you're watching this video and you're on a flight, well, then how are you even like, I don't even understand this. So that's number one. Number two, another reason why these songs aren't playing is because sometimes if you've adapted or if you've changed, if there's like a Bluetooth issue between a device that you have and like let's say your headphones or whatever, and they keep glitching back and forth, whenever Spotify detects a new song, they will go ahead and basically, or if they detect a new pair of headphones or anything, they will pause the song that you're playing. So you may be able to play the song for a little bit, but if you have like a faulty cable, if you have like a Bluetooth connection that's very spotty, things like that can make the song play for like 2 seconds and stop and then play for 1 second and stop. You probably don't want to be in that situation either. So the best thing to do is either just try out one Bluetooth device if you're connecting and then try out a different one, see if that ends up fixing the problem too. If that's still not working, another thing you may have to do is just update your Spotify application. So what you can do is you can go and click on the App Store right here. You can go and click search. You can just search up here and you just want to go and update your Spotify app. For a lot of people out there, I'm going to be honest, this is probably all you're going to have to do just by updating the application just like this. Go and click here, click on update, and that might end up fixing the problem as well. So and those are pretty much the main ways to do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.